Good morning. Williams, Philippines. It is Tuesday, February 11th, 2025. Hope everybody's doing good. Uh, got another one all built out somewhere else in the house and a couple things in it. Got to get more stuff in them. Uh, and my dinner just dinged at me. Uh, Pot roast, taters, onions. Did it in the air fryer, trying something new. Taters, onions, carrots, and the pot roast. We're going to see how it turns out. So this is going to be kind of a short one. Anyway, it's 6:25 on Tuesday. Yeah, p.m. I am up way later than I should be. Uh, Boss should be landing sometime soon at the airport. Uh, Life can be strange. Anyway, uh, been trying to keep track of the uh, the sleep patterns and such with my Apple iPhone. Just got through or Apple Apple Watch, Apple iWatch, or I don't know. This thing. Trying to get that figured out. Uh, Hopefully, be able to get used to the idea of having this on. Sorry, having this on while trying to sleep. Didn't bring my water in with me. Kool-Aid in with me. Uh, Might have made a mistake. Anyway, yeah, hauled off and on Monday told them go ahead and mail my one piece of mail. So they did. And of course, today got another piece of mail that I'm going to have them send here too. If I'd have held off on the first one, I could have got them both sent here for the same price as the second one. Yeah. I was not expecting two pieces of mail at the same time. Uh, yeah. Sometimes things go sideways. That's okay. Uh, it'll get here when it gets here, and I'll be okay with that. Uh, yeah. Sorry, I'm a bit on the tired side. I'm really not supposed to be awake this hour. And yeah, it's going to be interesting. Hope my boss has a safe flight and gets some rest. Yeah, trying to shift time zones. That's a pretty big thing. Something I'm going to have to do when I head over to the Philippines. Don't get me wrong, normally I'm in sync more with them than I am with everybody here. But yeah, uh, got to try and do that when for when I go over there. The time zone shift will be a good thing. I am so ready to go to the Philippines. Like I say, setting up balikbayan boxes. Uh, totally so ready to get over there. And I don't know. I might not need four of these things. I think I might only need two. I'm trying to cut down on everything and get it to be, yeah, less stuff. But if I want to be mean to somebody, if I squeeze it down, because if I put it out in all four of them, I can spread the cast iron out around them. That'll mean they don't get, yeah, it won't be as much of a mess, and that's yeah, won't be too heavy, and that would be a good thing. So, yeah, cast iron. And if nothing else, I know cast iron's a good form of cooking. It's good for cooking everything, just about, except maybe spaghetti sauce. Yeah, copper's real good for that. Just saying, stainless steel. It is what it is. But yeah, hopefully the boss will land here in a bit and get to talk to him and have a peaceful night. Anyway, like I said, the pot roast dinged at me, so I've got food on my mind now, and yeah, food's good. Food's important. So, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye bye. I hope you've had a lot of fun, friends and family today. Lots of food and more food because I've got food on my mind. So, I'm Fish. Fish is out.